Hi everybody and welcome to English with Jamie. This is the intermediate video. If you'd like to, you can watch the beginner's video because I will be talking about the 5 things in this basket. Or if you want to challenge yourself, challenge means like if you want to make it more difficult, don't watch the beginner's video and start here. So I have 5 things in this basket. And these 5 things, all of them are fruits and vegetables. And when I say they are fruits and vegetables, in English we have many different ideas about what is a fruit and what is a vegetable. I will talk about that in the advanced video. But what's important is if you go to the grocery store, if you go to the supermarket, if you go to, for example, King Soopers, Walmart, Safeway, any of the places where you buy food, all of this is in the same section, the same part of the store. It's called the produce section. This is a strange word, right? Produce. In some ways, produce means fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables and roots, legumes, things that grow in the ground. Let's just say fruits and vegetables, okay? So I'm going to hold one thing and I'm going to look at it and I want you to tell me, what is it? I want you to think and guess. Guess means you don't know the answer, but you try to say an answer. So the first thing I'm holding in my hand right here, I'm holding something, and it's from the produce section of the grocery store, of course. All of these are from the produce section of the grocery store. And this one, if I tell you the color, you will know. So this is something, it's very sweet to taste. It's very sweet. It tastes good when I eat it. It's very soft, and when I eat it, I do not cook it. Now, some people, they make a pie with it. Maybe they put it in a pie. Like a pie is a round dessert that's very good, very sweet. Maybe they add sugar. So you can make pie with this. You can eat this many ways, but I like to eat it just by taking it and biting it. I don't remove the skin. I don't peel the skin off of it. I do not, because I like the skin. I like the taste of the skin. It feels good on my tongue because it's very soft. And it has very small hairs. Very small hairs. So actually, the name of this, the color, I'll give you one last clue. A clue is something I tell you so you can guess. One last clue. It is orange with a little bit of yellow, maybe a little bit of reddish brown. Yes, it's a peach. The first thing is a peach. Okay, so the first thing is a peach. What is the second thing? All right, let's look. And if you watched the first video, I am not going in the same order. I am not doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the same way. I am picking the things in a different order. A different order, right? So maybe in the old video, I did the peach for, I don't remember the order, but this is a different video, a different order for this video. So you cannot guess using the order. You need to guess by listening to what I say. Listen to my description. Listen how I describe these things. Okay, this is from the produce section, but this is not really a fruit, and it's not really a vegetable. This is something that grows under the ground, in the dirt, in the soil. Those are good words. Ground, dirt, soil. This is, if you go outside and you see the grass, the green, under the grass is brown, a brown color. This is called dirt, soil, or you can call all of it the ground, right? Not the sky, but the ground. This grows under the ground. Under the ground, it is a root. That's a new word. It's a root. You can pull it up and you can eat it raw without cooking it. You can eat it raw without cooking it, but it's very strong, and maybe your eyes will have water. Maybe you will cry if you eat this raw. For me, sometimes I cry if I eat it raw. It's also very good for your body. If you are feeling sick, maybe you have a cold, maybe you have a cough or a cold and there's mucus, you can eat this. It's very good for your body. You can use it to make tea also. You can drink tea with this. Or maybe you can use it to cook, and it has a good, strong taste. Do you know what it is? It's ginger. Ginger root, you can say. Ginger root. Root means the bottom of a tree, the bottom of a plant that goes into the ground, right? Okay. Number 3, this also grows underground, right? This also grows underground. It's not really a fruit. Maybe it is a vegetable. I don't know. What is a vegetable? I don't really know. But this grows under the ground, and it has 3 names because there's many kinds. There's many kinds of this. So the outside color is maybe brownish yellow, yellowish brown. The inside color is actually like a peach. The inside color is orange, bright orange. And if you cook it, it's very sweet. It's actually almost as sweet as a peach. Not quite as sweet as a peach. It's not quite as sweet as a peach, but it's almost as sweet as a peach. And that's why one of the names has the word sweet in it. So do you know what it is? One of the names has the word sweet in the name. So this has 3 names. One of the names is yam, Y-A-M. One of the names is sweet potato, and the other name is just potato. So it's a sweet potato, a yam. Okay? Maybe 2 more things. Okay, you don't know if it's big or small. I won't tell you. Is it big or small? Ooh, is it big or small? Ooh. Is it big or small? You don't know. So this thing is green, but is it light green or dark green? I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you if it's light green or dark green. This is something I like to eat. I like to eat it raw, not cooked. Do you know what it is now? Because I don't cook it, this thing. I like to eat it raw sometimes inside of a smoothie. Sometimes I go to the restaurant, a Vietnamese restaurant, people from Vietnam. They have a restaurant. It's called Top Pho. It's a pho restaurant, P-H-O. Maybe you've seen these restaurants. They have one on Colfax, Top Pho, and they take many fruits and they make a smoothie, fruit and ice and maybe sugar and milk, and they mix it together, right, in a blender. It's not like that. It's more like you press the button and it goes, it all mixes up, and then you can drink it, okay? That's a smoothie. So I eat this as a smoothie sometimes. I eat this in a salad. And sometimes I eat it raw with nothing else. I just take off the peel and I eat it. And it's very soft and bright green inside. And the color outside is what? Dark green. And what is the name of this? What is it? It's an avocado. It's an avocado. And it is still hard. This one is still hard, but in 1 day, in 2 days, I will eat this, and maybe I'll show you when I eat it. In 1 or 2 days, I'm going to eat this. I'm going to eat this in 1 or 2 days, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow. I'm going to eat this. Do you believe me? You think I won't eat this? I will eat this. This peach I will probably eat very soon, maybe even in the next video, because it looks so good. But this I have to wait. If I eat it now, it'll be too hard. Okay. So the last object, I think you know it. So I'm going to ask you questions about this object. the last thing in the basket, is it big or is it small? Is it big or small, right? I'll ask you the question fast and short and slow. Is it big or small? Is it big or small? Did you say big? Yes, it is big. What color is it? What color is it? Is it orange? No, it's not orange. Is it green? Yes, it's green. Is it dark green or light green on the outside? Dark green or light green? Dark green or light green? Is it dark green or light green on the outside? The outside, right? This is the outside. So the outside of an avocado is dark green, right? The inside of an avocado is light green. We can even say bright green. Bright and light are kind of the same. Bright green, light green. Yes. Did you say light green? Yes, this thing here is light green. Is it soft or hard? Soft like a peach or hard like a potato or like this avocado? Yes, it is hard. Is it big or small? Do you remember? Is it big or small? It's big. And can you eat it raw, or do you like to eat it raw, not cooked? Or do you like to eat it cooked? Do you like to eat it raw or cooked? Well, I think for most people the answer is cooked. I don't think people like to eat it raw. What's the name of it? Do you know? Yes, it is a squash. A squash. It's also heavy, right? It's not light. The word light has two meanings. Light can be like dark green or light green, so light green. But light also means not heavy, right? So this is heavy. This is not light. But the ginger is light, right? Not heavy. I don't need to be strong to hold the ginger, but to hold the squash, I need to be strong. Strong. Light is also the word for this, right? Like the light in the room. There's less light. There's more light. There's light from the sun. So light has maybe three meanings at least. At least three meanings. Okay, so this is the end of the video. This was a guessing game. This was a guessing game for people who are intermediate. Not beginner, not advanced, right? But intermediate. So maybe a little bit easy, a little bit difficult, right? Not very, very easy and not very, very difficult, but in the middle, intermediate. This is the end of the intermediate video of English with Jamie. Thank you for listening. If you want to listen more, if this video is too easy, you can listen to the advanced. We will talk about the same 5 objects, but it will be advanced. Thank you for listening.